Hello Cricut buddies, Jav here from Cricut Maker Craft.
In today's video, I will be testing out all of these different types of printable sheets. First one over here is the glow in the dark, and then I have the printable vinyl. All of these are from Silhouette except for this one, which is the printable vinyl from Cricut. Next, I have printable heat transfer vinyl for dark fabric. And then I have printable shrink plastic. These are great for making tags for pets. Then we have Vellum and really cool printable glitter sticker sheets. And I also have printable magnet paper. Then over here I have printable foil stickers. And lastly, this is the sticker sampler pack, which comes with a lot of different stuff. And I'm going to show you everything inside it in the video. I'm not going to show you step by step how to do print and cut and how to create stickers, because I've already created a very detailed video on both of these topics, and you can find them on my blog as well as on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just gonna test out all of these different types of materials to see what settings work best. All right, let's get started.
Now before we get started with today's tutorial, I want to share a couple of announcements. So first of all, I'm running a milestone giveaway. Once I hit 10k subscribers on my YouTube, I'm gonna give away a Cricut Maker bundle. So if you want to win this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Secondly, I wanted to share this amazing video that I created for everyone just starting out with Cricut or don't know what SVGs or SVG cut files are. So go ahead and sign up for this completely free training video. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you are new to the Cricut world and finding it hard to remember all the tasks that you need to perform with your Cricut, then go ahead and grab this set of cheat sheets that I created just for you. It's only $15 and you get this 40-page set of cheat sheets with all the diagrams and everything about everything that you need to do with your Cricut. So let me just read out some of the stuff that are included. So there's the description on everything about design space, the left hand side panel, the right hand side panel, how to cut, how to mirror, how to group, how to ungroup. Everything is given in this set of cheat sheets that you just need to download. You can print it out and keep it beside your Cricut, or you can just leave it on your device to refer to it whenever you feel like. So when I was getting started, this really helped me in remembering everything that I needed to remember about my Cricut. So go ahead and grab this. It's only $15. The link is given in the description down below.
First off, we're gonna test the glitter sticker paper. I love glitter, so this was definitely something I wanted to try. I printed out the set of planner stickers on the glitter paper thinking it looks really cool, but I was really disappointed because it looks really blur once printed. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly in the video, but in person it looks really blurred and disgusting. So I won't recommend this for small detailed printouts. It's great for larger projects without details. And this is another project I printed out on the glitter sheet, and again it was really blurry and the details were not at all prominent. So you can use these for cutting out stars and other type of shapes, but I won't recommend these for detailed projects. Now let's see what settings we need to cut these out. So I use two different settings. First of all, I use sticker paper and I set the material to cut once, and with that I got kiss cut stickers where the stickers were attached to the backing, as you can see over here. So this one over here is a kiss cut sticker. And then I tried once more after setting my machine to do two different rounds. So once both the rounds were over, I was able to get die cut stickers where you can detach the stickers from their backing, as you can see over here. These ones over here are die cut stickers where you can remove the sticker with the backing. Okay, so that was the printable glitter paper. Now let's have a look at printable adhesive foil. So first, let me show you what results I got when I printed on it. So as you can see, the printing results did not come out good at all. The ink was all smudgy and you can barely see what's written over here. So this is probably not the best paper for printing because it's so glossy, which is why the ink is spread all over the place. So I won't use these for printing. I don't know why they even advertise it for printing. Maybe with a different printer you can get a better result. But with the one that I'm using, the HP 6220, the photo printer, the results are, this is the result that I got. So I won't be using it for printing. Instead I use these to cut out stickers for my planner, and here they are. So these are great if you're a teacher or if you're homeschooling, or even for making stickers for your planner. And the settings that I used for adhesive foil was sticker paper, which was set to cut twice. So after 2 cycles, I got kiss cut stickers, and after 4 cycles, I got die cut stickers. Now let's see how the glow in the dark worked. So I wasn't able to print out anything on the glow in the dark paper because it got stuck in my printer. Maybe for a different printer it would work better, but it's too thick for my printer. So instead I just cut it out. For these papers I used acetate settings and I set the machine to make 4 rounds. After 4 rounds, I got die cut stickers, and after 2 rounds, I got kiss cut stickers. Now let's have a look at the printable sticker sampler. This is a really awesome pack of stickers. It comes with 4 white sticker sheets, 2 gold, which are pretty much like the adhesive foil, 2 silver, also like adhesive foil. They have a glossy surface, so probably not good for printing because I got really bad results. Next, we have printable white scratchable paper where you can just scratch off the white surface. And we have 1 gold scratchable paper and 1 silver. Both of these have glossy surfaces, and when I printed on them, the ink just spread all over the place, so I won't recommend printing. The dull paper over here is the scratchable paper, and the shiny one here is the normal paper. So let's keep this aside and test out the settings needed for plain printable paper, the white ones over here. So I use this to make planner stickers, and to get kiss cut stickers I used vinyl setting, and to get die cut stickers I used sticker paper settings. I really loved how the colors came out, and the quality of these papers is also really good. They are pretty thick and really nice to work with. Alright, now let's check out the settings needed for printable scratchable paper. So for this I used sticker paper settings. After one round I got kiss cut stickers with the backing intact, and after 2 rounds I got die cut stickers. So I just used it to cut out a heart shape because printing on it did not give good results. So this is a die cut heart sticker. Let me show you how it works. So I'm just gonna peel off the backing and stick the heart here. These are great for making surprise cards and even for games. Now you can just scratch off the top surface with a coin to reveal the message below. How fun is that? Next, I have the silver foil, pretty similar to gold foil. For this, I used sticker paper settings, and I had to cut it twice to get kiss cut stickers and 4 times to get die cut stickers. Now let's have a look at the printable magnetic sheets. The pack comes with 4 letter sized sheets. I have a separate video on how to use these to create magnets, so I won't go into the details here. You can find the link for the tutorial in the description below. Over here, I'd just like to mention the settings that I used, which was printable magnets set to cut 4 times to get die cut magnets without the backing. And you need to print on the white side, not the black side. Now let's have a look at printable vellum. The pack comes with 6 vellum sheets, which are easy to work with. There's no confusion about what side to print on. And here's what it looks like after printing. The colors look kind of dull though. To cut it, I just used the vellum from the material settings, and everything turned out pretty fine, as you can see over here. I haven't really used vellum for projects, so I'm not sure what you would use these for. Okay, so now let's have a look at printable shrink plastic. The pack comes with 6 sheets, and these are great for making pet accessories, keychains, and jewelries. So you need to print on the matte side and use the plastic packaging settings from the materials list to get a perfect cut. I've printed a large image because it's gonna shrink after heating. Alright, all the cutting is done. Next, I'm gonna place this inside the oven, and here's the final result. I really like how the colors are popping after shrinking. So I'll be using this to make a keychain for my hubby. Okay, now let's have a look at printable heat transfer or printable iron on by Silhouette. I'm using HTV for dark fabrics, and it comes with 5 HTV sheets. Each sheet has one plain side and one side with blue lines, which makes it really easy to understand what side to print on, which is obviously the side without the blue lines. So here's my result after printing. I love how bright and vibrant the colors came out. Now let's get this thing cut. I used the printable HTV setting from the materials list. If you're wondering where I got this SVG from, you can grab these from my Etsy store. They come in a bundle, perfect for making gifts for your loved ones. And this is what I got, a perfect cut, and I just need to peel this off and place it on the fabric. Alright, the second last material we have here is the printable vinyl by Silhouette. There are 8 sheets included in the packaging. There's a dull side and a bright white side, so you need to print on the bright white side. And there you go. I love how the colors are popping here. It's pretty much like the sticker paper. I'm gonna stick this onto my tumbler and seal it with Mod Podge because the colors can get washed out by water, so keep that in mind. Last thing we have here is the printable vinyl by Cricut. It has a Cricut backing, which makes it easy to understand what side to print on. And here's the result after printing. I used printable vinyl settings, but I'm not sure what happened here because it didn't get cut properly. One thing that I noticed was the difference in thickness between the printable vinyl from Cricut and Silhouette. Silhouette printable vinyl was thicker compared to the Cricut vinyl. Alright, with that we have reached the end of this video. Don't forget to grab the free printable file with all the settings and details on all of these materials for a quick reference later on. To get the file, all you gotta do is sign up for the VIP list via the link given below.
Alright, with that we have reached the end of today's tutorial. Hope you girls and guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a Cricut Maker bundle when I hit 10K. I'll now see you in the next video. Bye bye!